What's up everyone, my name is Steven and today I want us to work on a website. So let's dive into it, and I hope you're going to learn something. So right here I have a website, and the name of the website is called purplepalace.co.ke. We have a small issue where the site can't show, so there has been a critical error on this website. Learn more about the troubleshooting. WordPress. So I usually use WordPress when creating my website. So for this one we'll need to log in first. So to log in you have to write first the website domain, then yp admin, then login. So already I have the passwords and the usernames saved, so I'll just log in. And once I'm logged in, I'll be able to see the WordPress dashboard, and I want to check where exactly the problem could be. So we can start by checking all the pages and see where there could be any error. And as you can see, we only have two pages. That's the privacy policy and the sample page, and none of them is active, so the problem is not there. So let's check the plugins. So when I look at the plugins, I can see we only have 3 plugins, and the only active plugin is CMP, coming soon, and maintenance plugin. So we have to check where the problem could be. So the first thing I have to do is to click on the CMP settings. So let's click on it, and once I click on it, I see the plugin is enabled. So the first thing is to look at the settings and see where the problem could be. I'll first disable the page and save all changes, and after doing that, click on visit page or visit website. And once I deactivate the plugin, I see the website is back on live. So the problem could be the plugin. So let's go back to the plugin and try to change the theme. So let's go to settings. Let's try the last one. Let's activate this one, then enable. Then let's save the changes and check whether the site is okay. So I'll just go back to the other link that we had opened and refresh the site. Wow, nothing happened. So I think for us to see the changes, I have to log out. So I'll come to the top right corner of the site and log out. And once I log out, I'll come clear all this other part and only go to the main site, and voila!
At Steven Gatherimu on Facebook and Instagram.